Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe DeVille. This one was a nice restored custom that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one was a real beauty. Did a beautiful paint job on the roof and redid the interior with all leather. Just a beautiful car to look at, and definitely caught your eyeball, that's for sure. And these second generation Cadillacs went from 1961 through 1964. And this one weighed about 4,500 pounds and had a 129.5-inch wheelbase, 129.5 actually, to be exact, and they were 223 inches long. So you needed a big garage to put this guy in it, that's for sure. As far as production numbers go, total Cadillac production for 1964 was 165,909 vehicles, of which 110,396 were the Series 62 DeVille production. And this one, the hardtop coupe two-door, they made 38,195 for 1964. So not a rare car, but definitely a nice-looking car. And that's the last year for the second generation. 1965, they went to the third generation one, which gave you a total different look. So this one, a lot of people consider, probably myself included, this was the best-looking generation of the Cadillacs, 1961 to 1964. And I figured I'd give you another look at that beautiful paint job on the top of this car. Somebody spent a lot of time and effort to make it look as good as it does, and it really sets the car off nicely, I think. And I figure I'd give you another walk around the car in case you didn't see it on the first one, so you don't have to go backwards. You can just watch it again right here. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, 1964 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe DeVille. And if you made it this long, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'd appreciate it if you would share this video and share it with your friends, share it on your group page, share it wherever you'd like, or any of my videos. You're welcome to share them all. I would appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And we'll see you on the next one. And, I forgot, in case you're wondering, here's a couple other videos of my playlist and Cadillac videos that you can take a look at if you're a big Cadillac fan. Or even if you're not and you like the nice big 60s American land yachts, you'll have plenty of them here to see. So we'll see you on the next one, and have a good day.